How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today we're going to talk about one of the most iconic superstars in the history of professional wrestling and what particular diet he follows. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Alright, so Stone Cold Steve Austin had an amazing career in the WWE, one of the most illustrious careers in the history of the WWE. Now, there's been times when he's been in the best shape of his life, but also there's been times when you've seen Stone Cold with a little bit of a beer gut. But as of recently, we've seen Stone Cold Steve Austin look in the best shape of his life, following a ketogenic lifestyle. Now, Stone Cold Steve Austin does not follow the traditional ketogenic diet. He follows a cyclical ketogenic diet. Cyclical meaning he cycles in carbs on certain days of the week. He goes 2 days on strict keto, meaning meat, veggies, good fats, but on the third day, he'll cycle in some carbohydrates, usually from good sources like potatoes, sweet potatoes, white rice, brown rice, and he'll typically have a couple 100 grams of carbs on that one day. And the following 2 days, he'll go right back to strict keto. And the third day, it'll be exact same thing. And throughout the course of the week, he will have one cheat meal, usually landing on that third day where he does a lot more carbohydrate intake. Whatever he's craving, he can have it once a week, one cheat meal a week. Now, this particular form of keto is usually used to build mass and muscle, to maintain the most muscle as possible. And it also helps in the performance aspect if you are a sports athlete. That third day helps to restore glycogen in the muscle, fueling your workouts. And the following 2 days, the strict keto will use the stored glycogen from the muscles and shuttle it throughout your body. But Stone Cold Steve Austin today has said it himself. He's in the best shape of his life today. Now, I will say he didn't follow a ketogenic lifestyle throughout his wrestling career. He was definitely a meat and potatoes kind of guy. He ate his protein, carbs, and a little bit of fat, not much, which is a typical bodybuilding diet. But of course, throughout the years, as you get older, it becomes more apparent that you have to incorporate some sort of nutrition plan to your workouts. Because when you're younger, you can get away with eating burgers and fries and just going to the gym and burning it off. But as you get older, it doesn't work like that. Much like what Stone Cold has said. When you get older, you gotta pay more attention to nutrition, diet, than exercise. And you gotta find what works for you. For me, I actually follow a cyclical ketogenic diet as well, but I go 5 days straight, strict keto, and on the weekends, I have higher carb days. For me, that works great because I like to maintain a little bit of muscle, a little bit of mass. I don't want to lose too much more weight. I've already lost a lot of weight doing strict keto. The longest I have ever gone on keto has been 45 days straight. And when I say strict keto, that means I didn't even have keto bread. But the most important aspect of keto that has helped me has been my reversal of metabolic syndrome, my high blood pressure, my hypothyroidism, and my pre-diabetes. Not to mention my sleep apnea, low T, and high E. So at the end of the day, you gotta find what works for you. Now, of course, Stone Cold does mix it up a lot. He won't stay on keto all the time. Sometimes he does high protein, sometimes he does moderate carbs and low fat. Sometimes he switches it up. And sometimes he'll have high fat, moderate protein, low carb. He goes by how his body feels and how he feels. I am positive that I can help out just about anybody who does try it correctly. But at the end of the day, you got to find what works for you. It has worked for me. It has given me my life back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm definitely going to do more of these videos coming out in the near future. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.